So when it comes to dealing with anything that is opposed to Krishna consciousness, a devotee is not humble. He is like a thunderbolt. An example, when Ramchandra arrived in Lanka, from the mountain top, they were observing Ravan's army, Ravan's arrangement. From the mountain top, they were observing. So at that time, Ravan came and walking on the city wall, Ravan was observing. Like there was a wall all around Sri Lanka. And seeing that, Sugriv jumped from top of the mountain, came to Ravan and slapped him. Ravan's crown went flying. And both of them started to fight. Then Ravan used his mystic power. And so Sugriv immediately came back. Ramchandra chastised him. He said, "You are the king of the monkeys. You are the king of my army. You are the general of my army. If anything happened to you, then what would have happened to army? So don't act in such a irresponsible irresponsible way." And Sugriv says, "I couldn't control myself when I saw this guy who stole Sita Devi. I was just killed him right there." So that is the attitude of a devotee. Another example, Ram sent Angad to Ravan's court with a message. Ravan was sitting on a high throne and he didn't offer any seat to Angad. Treated him just like a riffraff. Angad couldn't tolerate that. His mood was, "I'm the messenger of Lord Ramchandra. Who you are?" So what he did, from his tail, he made a seat which was higher than Ravan's. And he started to converse with Ravan from there. So when it comes to establish the glory of your master, a devotee is like the most proud person. I am the servant of my Lord. But in front of the Lord and his devotees, he is the most humble.